Okay, it's time for dictation. Today we're going to keep practicing our words with ang, ing, ong, and ung. All right, let's get ready. Number 1, the word is gong. Gong. G-ong. G-ong. Gong. Number 2 is hung. Hung. H-ung. Hung. H-ung. Hung. Number 3, if we look close, we've got a 3-letter blend here at the beginning. The word is sprung. Sprung. Spr-ung. Sprung. Spr-ung. Sprung. Number 4 has a 2-letter blend at the beginning. The word is bling. Bling. B-l-ing. Bling. Bl-ing. Bling. And the last word has 2 syllables. The word is ringlet. Ringlet. The first syllable is ring. R-ing. Ring. R-ing. Second syllable is let. Let. L-et. L-et. Ringlet. Let's write the word ringlet. Let's practice reading the words we wrote together. Gong, hung, sprung, bling, ringlet. Great job today.